Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic natin ngayon is, who is Methuselah? So, Methuselah, the meaning of life. Methuselah is known as the man who lived the longest in the Bible, 969 years. But the Bible does not tell his story just to amaze us with numbers. Methuselah's long life teaches us something deeper. He lived during a time when people were becoming more sinful, yet God patiently delayed judgment. His life reminds us that long life alone is not the goal. What matters most is how we live before God. Methuselah's life points to God's patience and mercy, giving people time to repent before judgment comes, and reminding us that our days are in God's hands. Sayon sa Genesis chapter 5 verse 21 to 27, when Enoch had lived 65 years, he became the father of Methuselah. After he became the father of Methuselah, Enoch walked faithfully with God 300 years and other sons, daughters. Altogether, Enoch lived a total of 365 years. Enoch walked faithfully with God, then he was no more because God took him away. When Methuselah had lived 187 years, he became the father of Lamech. After he became the father of Lamech, Methuselah lived 782 years and had other sons and daughters. Altogether, Methuselah lived a total of 969 years, and then he died. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, Methuselah shows that life is not about duration but about the meaning. So, ipinapakita ni Methuselah na ang buhay ay hindi lang nasusukat sa haba ng taon, kundi sa kahulugan at layunin nito. Kahit siya ang pinakamatandang tao sa Bible, mas mahalaga pa rin kung paano niya ginamit ang buhay niya para sa Diyos. And Methuselah shows God's long suffering. So, pinakita ni Methuselah ang habang pasensya ng Diyos bago dumating ang baha noong panahon ni Noah. Pinahaba ng Diyos ang buhay ni Methuselah bilang tanda ng nagbibigay pa siya ng panahon para magsisi ang mga tao. And Methuselah shows that God's judgment is certain. So, pinakita rin ni Methuselah na tiyak ang hatol ng Diyos. Ayon sa tradisyon, namatay si Methuselah bago dumating ang baha. Ibig sabihin, kahit matagal dumating ang hatol, darating pa rin ito sa tamang oras ng Diyos. And sa applications naman, plan each day as if it were your last and prioritize a meaningful life over a long life. And produce good works for the glory of God. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.